Good morning to all. As today we have completed the principles of scientific management that is given by the F.W. Taylor. As information is given to you and the same you have to learn that F.W. Taylor born in 1856 in USA and he was a mechanical engineer ठीक in the Midwell Steel Company. As his engineering background, Taylor set out some scientific studies and techniques, and he always concerned about the efficiency of workers and optimum utilization of the resources. As Taylor technique and principles are totally based on the observation conducted in factories, so all the four principles of Taylor are basically based on the factory. Now the scientific principles are given by the Taylor. The number one it is that is scientific not science not rule of thumb. Not rule of thumb here means dictatorship of a manager, whereas scientific decisions are based on cause and effect. So this says that before taking any decision you have to choose the one best method that maximizes the efficiency of the maximizes the efficiency of the business by doing the work study and so it that we have to prepare we have to choose the one best method by doing the work study and analysis. The second point is over here, that is harmony not discord. Harmony not discord here means that we have to make a good relation between the both parties, that is worker and the management, because they think that always the worker thinking is there कि they are totally overburdened and underpaid, but management thinks कि they are not doing any type of work. So that's why we have to change the mental evolution of both the parties ठीक है. And always keep this in your mind that management should share the gains of the company with worker. At the same time workers must contribute the same means best level to their best level in the company. Always we have to use the paternalistic style of management as it is implemented by the Japanese company in their organization. Now the third one is there, that is cooperation not individualism. This is the extended part of the harmony not discord. This says that we have to do the work in a team. Always we have to do the work in a team. We have to take the suggestions from the workers, and if they are giving the good suggestion then we have to award them. Okay. The last one is there, that is the development of workers to their greatest efficiency and prosperity. As we know very well that industrial prosperity is totally depend upon the workers efficiency. If the workers are totally efficient, it means that for the same we need a training and development of the workers. वर्कर्स की ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट होनी चाहिए, बट कीप दिस इन योर माइंड कि टेलर इंसिस्ट कि दैट while selecting the worker on any of the post, that post must be matched with the qualification that particular worker is having. Then only the company is having the greatest efficiency and prosperity. So these are the various scientific principles we have completed today. Learn it, because the complementary question may be there in the board from this topic, that one case study may be there. You have to choose which principle of Taylor is implemented and which principle of Henry Fayol is implemented. So learn these principles too, and have a nice day beta.